Programming your 2020 Cadillac XT6 key fob yourself is straightforward and can save you money. The process involves syncing the fob's unique code with your car's body control module. Preparation. Ensure your vehicle is secure, all doors are closed, and you have a working master key to enter programming mode. The new fob must have a fresh CR2032 battery. Enter programming mode. Insert the master key into the ignition. Turn it to the on position for 1 second, then back to off for 3 seconds. Repeat this cycle 3 times within 10 seconds. The vehicle's horn will chirp or lights will flash to confirm entry. Pair the fob. Within 40 seconds, press and hold the lock button on the new fob for 1 to 2 seconds. The horn will chirp again if successful. Repeat for additional fobs up to 8. Exit mode. Turn the ignition to on and then to off, or wait 40 seconds for automatic exit. Test lock-unlock doors, start the vehicle, and test the panic button to verify. This method syncs the transponder code to the BCM, allowing up to 8 authorized keys. Follow each step precisely to avoid issues. While DIY programming is generally successful, be aware of potential issues. Weak batteries are a common culprit. Replace them if you encounter pairing problems. If the process fails, try disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 10 minutes to clear all codes, then retry. Also, be aware that while DIY saves money, it bypasses some security layers. For enhanced security, especially in high theft areas, consider professional pairing at a dealership to get VIN-specific coding. Note that aftermarket OBD2 adapters offer alternative programming methods via smartphone apps, but always ensure compatibility and security. While trends are moving toward digital keys and increased cybersecurity, the DIY method remains a viable option for the 2020 XT6.